So when we want to upload fertilizer applications on the PastureBase app, we're on the home screen and we click fertilizer, and then we click on application list. And here we click on add new. We want to select the paddocks that we apply this fertilizer to. So in this example, we're spreading on paddocks 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. And now we want to say the type of fertilizer we're using. So in this example, we're going to spread urea. So these are all in numerical order. So we go down as far as the urea is present. So here we have urea with sulfur, and we click done. And we want to click the amount type. So how do we spread this? Total amount, amount per hectare, amount per acre, amount per hectare, or units of N per acre. So we're going to use units of N per acre. And for this, we want to use 20 units of N per acre, and we simply click save. And then when we look at our application list, we can see the nitrogen that was spread on the paddocks in terms of the amount per hectare of total fertilizer application and the date present also. So when we want to put in our fertilizer applications, we can also click in fertilizer data here and then click on application list and we click add new. So in some situations, we may have a total amount of fertilizer in the yard that was spread on a certain date, and we have the paddocks that were spread with that fertilizer. So for example, we could have paddocks 15, 16, 17, 18 spread, and there was 1.5 ton of urea spread. So here we can see we have the fertilizer here, 38% nitrogen, and instead of units of N per acre, we click total amount, and we type in 1500, which is 1.5 ton, which is 1500 kilos, and we simply click save. And we can scroll down here. And we can see that the kilos per hectare has been automatically calculated in the app.